Maybe you're building your own business and trying to create a community by getting more likes and follows on social media for your business. If that's the case, this tutorial is definitely for you. So, today is all about social media. How can you boost your engagement? How can you create content that attracts followers to your account and make people actually want to interact with your posts? Well, Canva is a pretty useful tool when it comes to these things. So if you're ready, let me explain you how. So today I will show you specific templates on Canva that we can find by searching specific keywords that are guaranteed to attract more engagement to your account. So whether or not you're working for your own brand or for a client, what I'm going to show you today is going to help you speed up the content creation process, give you key templates that will push your engagement on social media, and hopefully inspire you to design more engaging social media posts. So enough talking. Now let's get into the Canva Templates library and search for engagement boosting templates. So this is the home page. Let's just use the search bar here. The first one I want to show you is a quiz template. So simply search the word quiz, and then you will find a bunch of different formats and styles of quiz templates that you can easily adapt to your account. The thing about quiz posts is that they get you to ask your audience a very simple question or a prediction, which tempts your audience to engage with your account under the post. Because people love to give their opinion, quizzes are easy and they're simply fun. So these little quizzes are really useful, and there's a whole bunch of different types and styles of them. So make sure to browse this page carefully and choose the one that suits you the best. Moving on to the next one, we have question posts. So just type in the keyword in your search bar and you will see that there will be many options to choose from. So let's open some of them here. For example, this one. Which button would you press? Button 1, read minds for 3 days. Button 2, add 5 centimeters to your height. Button 3, always feel happy. Button 4, master 3 skills. Button 5, become famous. Button 6, eat without gaining weight. Well, I'd be sure to choose button 6 in this case. So you can use these templates to get your audience to ask you spontaneous or personal questions. And the good thing about these questions is that you don't only get your audience to engage with you, but you also give them an opportunity to connect with you by letting them ask you something personal. So this one was question posts. Okay, next up is guess the word. So there you go. This one is similar to the word game hangman. Simply, some letters are giving in the post as a hint for the word that your audience has to find. And you can give extra hints for your word in your description under your post as well. And this will be a fun little way to get your audience to engage with your account. For example, this one is pretty simple. Who are the biggest animals in the ocean? As you see, you have so many options here, and you can easily adjust the colors and change the guess word in each one according to your niche. Moving on to the next one. This one's called message conversation. So type it in and you will see many templates that seem like a screenshot of a message conversation. So let's see this one, for example. Here you can see that there are 2 people in a conversation. Usually it's an exchange of a couple messages, but you can also see a single message conversation under this type of templates. So depending on the content you want to share, you can either choose a single text conversation or multiple, and you can use whichever fits the best. The next template category I want to talk about are Instagram carousels. So this type of post is what I use the most, and it will surely attract a lot of people to interact with your account. They're sometimes a little tricky to create if you want to design them from scratch, but Canva has a bunch of pre-designed templates already made for you, so if you decide to use one of these, you'll be fine. Here on this page, of course, everything is in Instagram format, and most of them will be carousels, meaning that they will have multiple pages. So make sure to check this by bringing your mouse to the lower left corner of this post to reveal the number of the pages before clicking and opening a new template. The beauty about carousels is that they have continuous lines and designs flowing through the posts on different slides. So it is also kind of fun for your audience to swipe through the post and see the design and hopefully engage with it. So the last one I want to share with you today is the toggle post. So it's basically a post with one or more toggle buttons, and they're all really popular at the moment. For example, this one, mindset shifts, self-doubt off, imposter syndrome off, fear off, courage on. Yeah, so if you post something like this one, you will surely get a lot of likes for this post. Another one, for example, is this one, today checklist, morning exercise on, breakfast on, school on, group work on. So basically this one works best for inspirational or productivity related posts, but of course with the help of the toggle buttons, the design is more energized, more dynamic, and more eye-catching. So make sure to include it in your feed, and for that you just have to search toggle post, maybe change the text and image, and just go ahead and post it on your social media. Alright, so I attempted to cover most of these engagement boosters templates on Canva. I hope you find it useful and now ready to attract more engagement to your social media accounts. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.